Once there was a young girl named Maya who dreamed of becoming a professional ballerina. She had a natural talent for dance, but she faced many challenges along the way. At her first audition for a prestigious dance school, Maya was rejected. She was heartbroken but refused to give up. She continued to practice and improve her skills, and the following year, she auditioned again. Once again, she was rejected. Most people would have given up at this point, but Maya refused to let her dream die. She continued to work hard and take dance lessons, even though it meant sacrificing her free time and social life. Finally, on her third attempt, Maya was accepted into the dance school. It was a dream come true, but it was only the beginning of her journey. She faced many challenges, including tough competition, injuries, and self-doubt. But every time she stumbled, Maya got back up and continued to pursue her dream with persistence and determination. Years of hard work and perseverance paid off when Maya was offered a position with a professional ballet company. She had finally achieved her goal, and it was all thanks to her unwavering persistence.